If your car has lost its luster and shine, you don't necessarily have to repaint it to restore its original glow. Repainting can be a costly and time-consuming process, but there are several effective ways to bring back the shine without going through all that trouble. The first and most basic step in restoring your car's shine is to wash it regularly. By washing your car with a gentle car wash soap and a soft microfiber cloth, you can remove these contaminants. A regular cleaning will prevent buildup and maintain the car's original shine. Ensure you rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber towel to avoid water spots. Car cleaning spray helps remove dirt, dust, and grime from your car's surface, instantly restoring its shine. Shine Armor Ceramic Coating Fortify Quick Coat restores your car's shine by providing a glossy, hydrophobic finish that repels water, dirt, and contaminants. It protects against UV rays, oxidation, and scratches, extending the life of your paint. The easy-to-apply formula also acts as a waterless wash and wax, offering a smooth, glossy look without repainting. It ensures long-lasting protection, keeping your car looking new with minimal effort. A microfiber wash mitt gently cleans your car's surface without scratching, preserving the paint's shine. The Megias microfiber wash mitt gently cleans your car's surface without scratching, preserving its shine. Its thick fibers trap dirt, preventing swirl marks and maintaining a smooth finish. Reusable and durable, it's an easy way to restore and protect your car's appearance without repainting. Cleaning your wheels and tires with a soapy solution removes dirt, grime, and brake dust, restoring their shine. The gentle soap lifts contaminants without harming the surfaces. Regular cleaning keeps your wheels looking new, enhancing your car's overall polished appearance without the need for repainting. After completing all of these restoration steps, it's important to always use a scratch-free microfiber cloth for drying, wiping, or buffing. Microfiber is soft and gentle, preventing the introduction of new scratches to the surface. It is also highly effective at picking up dust, water, and other contaminants, leaving your car with a smooth and gleaming finish. A little maintenance here, and they will go a long way in keeping your car shiny and in top condition.